सखेति मत्वा प्रसभं यदुक्तं हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति अजानता महिमानन्तवेदं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि. In this verse, Arjuna expresses remorse for having addressed Krishna casually as a friend or companion. He acknowledges his lack of awareness regarding Krishna's true greatness and divine nature, which he now recognizes. This verse highlights themes of humility and self-reflection. Arjuna's acknowledgement of his missteps in addressing Krishna illustrates a shift in his understanding of divine relationships. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing and respecting the divine nature of those who we revere, marking a significant moment in Arjuna's spiritual journey as he comes to terms with Krishna's true essence. यच्चावहासार्थमसकृतोऽसि विहारशय्या सनभोजनेषु एकोऽथवाप्यच्युत तत्समक्षन् तत्क्षामये त्वामहं प्रमेयम्. In this verse, Arjuna expresses his regret for any disrespectful or careless remarks he may have made toward Krishna, especially in casual settings. He seeks forgiveness for his unintentional offenses, acknowledging Krishna's immeasurable greatness. This verse showcases Arjuna's deepening respect and awareness of Krishna's divinity. His respect for forgiveness highlights themes of humility, reverence, and the acknowledgement of the divine nature of relationships. It marks a significant turning point in Arjuna's understanding as he seeks to correct his earlier casualness in addressing पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूजश्च गुरुर्गुरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽस्त्यभ्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यो लोकत्रयेऽप्यप्रतिमः प्रभावा. In this verse, Arjuna acknowledges Krishna's unparalleled significance and position as the supreme authority and guru of the universe. He emphasizes Krishna's unique status and the reverence he deserves from all beings. This verse beautifully highlights themes of reverence, acknowledgement of divine authority, and the understanding of Krishna's essential role in the cosmos. Arjuna's recognition of Krishna as the ultimate source of all creation and his respect for Krishna's teachings reflect a profound shift in his perspective, showcasing the importance of humility and devotion in the path of spirituality. तस्मात् प्रणम्य प्रणिधाय कायं प्रसादये त्वामहमीशमीड्यम् पितेव पुत्रस्य सखेव सख्युः प्रियः प्रियायार्हसि देव सोढुम्. In this verse, Arjuna expresses his deep respect and devotion to Krishna, seeking his grace and forgiveness. He acknowledges the various relationships he has with Krishna and emphasizes the importance of humility in his approach. This verse encapsulates themes of devotion, humility, and the multifaceted nature of divine relationships. Arjuna's sincere approach reflects his longing for Krishna's grace and forgiveness, illustrating the depth of his respect and love for the divine. It marks a significant moment in Arjuna's spiritual journey where he fully submits to Krishna, acknowledging his importance in his life. अदृष्टपूर्वं ऋषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शयस्तेव रूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवासा. In this verse, Arjuna expresses a mix of awe and fear after witnessing Krishna's divine universal form. He is overwhelmed by the magnitude and intensity of what he has seen and seeks Krishna's reassurance and mercy. This verse encapsulates themes of reverence, fear, and the longing for divine reassurance. Arjuna's request for Krishna to reveal his divine form reflects his desire for a deeper understanding of the divine nature, while simultaneously highlighting his vulnerability and the transformative power of encountering the divine. It marks a significant moment in Arjuna's journey as he navigates the complex emotions of awe, fear, and devotion. किरीटिनं गदिनैचक्रहस्तम् इच्छामि त्वान् द्रष्टुमहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते. In this verse, Arjuna expresses his desire to see Krishna in his four-armed form, which symbolizes his divine power and authority. This reflects Arjuna's yearning to witness Krishna in a more familiar and comforting representation, even after experiencing the overwhelming universal form. This verse highlights Arjuna's complex relationships with the divine, showcasing his desire for connection and understanding in a form he can relate to. It reflects themes of reverence, familiarity, and the search for reassurance in the divine presence. Arjuna's request signifies a balance between awe and the human need for connection, illustrating the multifaceted nature of spiritual experience. Shri Bhagavanuvacha मया प्रसन्नेन तवार्जुनेदं रूपं परं दर्शितमात्मयोगात् तेजोमयं विश्वमनन्तमाद्यै यन्मे त्वदन्येन न दृष्टपूर्वम्. In this verse, Krishna responds to Arjuna's request by explaining the divine nature of a form he has just witnessed. He emphasizes the uniqueness of power of his form, which is revealed through divine grace and yoga. This verse highlights themes of divine grace, importance of spiritual practice, and the uniqueness of Krishna's universal form. Krishna's assurance to Arjuna conveys that such profound spiritual experiences are gifts granted through devotion and sincerity, marking a pivotal moment in Arjuna's spiritual journey as he learns about the deeper realities of existence and divinity. न वेदयज्ञाध्ययनैर्न दानैर्न च क्रियाभिर्न तपोभिरुग्रैः एवं रूपः शक्य अहं नृलोके द्रष्टुं त्वदन्येन कुरु Pravira. In this verse, Krishna emphasizes the uniqueness and unparalleled nature of his divine form, explaining that it cannot be comprehended or perceived through conventional means such as study, rituals, or severe austerities. This verse communicates essential themes about the limitations of human efforts in spiritual practices and the necessity of divine grace to truly perceive and understand the divine. Krishna's statement invites reflection on the nature of spiritual experience, suggesting that true knowledge of the divine comes from deep connection and devotion rather than mere intellectual or ritualistic pursuits. Mate vyathamaach vimodhabhavo drishtva rupam ghoramidrang mamedam vyate pabhi pritamanaf punastvan tadeva me rupamidam pravashya. In this verse, Krishna reassures Arjuna in response to his feelings of fear and confusion after witnessing the terrifying universal form. Krishna encourages Arjuna to maintain his composure and focus on the divine aspect of the vision. This verse encapsulates themes of reassurance, transformative nature of perception, and the importance of maintaining composure in spiritual experiences. Krishna's guidance and emphasize that while the divine can be awe-inspiring and frightening, a deeper understanding and connection can lead to peace and acceptance. It underscores the journey of spiritual realization as one that involves both fear and potential for profound understanding and connection with the divine. Sanjaya Uvacha Ityarjuna Vasudevasthathoktva Swakam Rupan Darshayamas Bhuyah Ashvasayamas Chabhitamenam Bhutva Punasamya Vapur Mahatma. In this verse, Sanjay narrates how Krishna, after revealing his terrifying universal form, reassures Arjuna by reverting to his more familiar and gentle form. This highlights the compassionate and loving nature of Krishna. This verse illustrates the duality of Krishna's nature as both the awe-inspiring universal form and the compassionate, approachable friend and guide. It reflects the importance of divine grace and reassurance in the spiritual journey, reminding devotees that even in moments of fear and uncertainty, they can find comfort in the divine's familiar presence. It emphasizes Krishna's role as a protector and guide, ensuring that his devotees feel safe and supported on their spiritual path. अर्जुन उवाच दृष्ट्वेदं मानुषं रूपं तव सौम्यै जनार्दन इदानीमस्मि संवृत्तः सचेताः प्रकृतिं गतः. In this verse, Arjuna expresses his relief and newfound clarity after witnessing Krishna's gentle human form following the overwhelming universal vision. This verse highlights the transformative power of divine presence and reassurance. Arjuna's shift from confusion and fear to clarity and composure illustrates the importance of spiritual guidance. It emphasizes that encountering the divine, even in overwhelming forms, can lead to deeper understanding and connection. By recognizing Krishna's gentle human form, Arjuna finds peace and a sense of return to his true self, underscoring the balance between the awe of the divine and the comfort of personal connection. श्रीभगवानुवाच सुदुर्दर्शमिदं रूपं दृष्टवानसि यन्मम देवा अप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः. In this verse, Krishna explains to Arjuna the uniqueness and rarity of his universal form. This verse illustrates the profound nature of Krishna's universal form, reinforcing that it is not only rare but also highly coveted by divine beings. By conveying this, Krishna emphasizes the privilege that Arjuna has in witnessing such a form. It serves as a reminder of the divine's transcendence and the depth of spiritual experience available to devoted seekers. Krishna's statement encourages Arjuna to appreciate the significance of his experience and the divine connection he shares with Krishna. नाहं वेदैर्न तपसा न दानेन न चेज्जया शक्य एवं विधो द्रष्टुं दृष्टवानसि मां यथा. In this verse, Krishna explains to Arjuna the condition under which his universal form can be perceived. This verse highlights the idea that direct experience of the divine is a result of divine grace rather than solely the outcome of one's spiritual practices. Krishna underscores that realizing such profound truths requires a unique connection, suggesting that the path to enlightenment transcends rituals and doctrine. This serves as a reminder to devotees that sincerity, devotion, and the grace of the divine are essential for deeper spiritual insight. भक्त्या त्वनन्यया शक्य अहमेवं विधोऽर्जुन ज्ञातुं द्रष्टुं च तत्त्वेन प्रवेष्टुं च परन्तप. In this verse, Krishna reveals the path through which Arjuna and indeed all devotees can truly know and experience the divine. This verse underscores the significance of bhakti or devotion as the most effective means of realizing and connecting with the divine. It emphasizes that through sincere devotion, one can experience a deeper understanding and connection with Krishna's true essence, moving beyond superficial encounters. This message encourages followers to cultivate a heartfelt relationship with the divine as the pathway to spiritual enlightenment and profound realization. मत्कर्म कृन्मत्परमो मद्भक्तः सङ्गवर्जितः निर्वैरः सर्वभूतेषु यः स मामेति पाण्डव. In this verse, Krishna outlines the qualities and actions that lead to a true union with him. This verse encapsulates the essence of bhakti and the ideal attributes of a true devotee: selfless action, unwavering devotion, detachment from worldly distractions, and compassion towards all beings. It serves as a guide for aspirants on the spiritual path, emphasizing that true connection with the divine comes from cultivating these qualities in one's life.